other one. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Wow. Survive our sweet corn.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher.
Hello guys, good morning, and I'm going to visit my corn. So guys, this is my lemongrass. Let's go. I'm going to visit my corn if it's, let's see if it's work or not. Lemongrass, guys. I see here. I'm going to get my god. Oh, look, guys. Let's get this. Look, oh. Hey, it's ready to harvest. Oh, there's another bell paper. Look, guys. Look, it's already. Let's get this. So there's chili. Oh, going to get this goose. I bring to the Magiti. Bring this. So guys, look at our corn, guys. Look, corn, it's alive. Look, oh, this one, only 2. I put there 3. Here, not survive. Look, alive. It's alive. 3. Guys, 1, 2, 3. I'm so happy, guys. Let's see our corn. My father harvest that. See our corn. I put there only 2. Only 2 sweet corn. So my father harvest that kasama. Wow! Wow, guys! Oh, it's alive! Look, there's 4. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, 2. We're going to clean this. I'm happy. So I still have. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Wow. Survive our sweet corn. So this one only, the other one only 1. Only 1. Look. One here, and this. Look, here guys, sweet corn. 3, guys, 3. Guys, So better like this. Only 2. I put 3 in here. Another here. Look guys. 3. 2. Only 1 here. Yay! Have 3. It's better. There. 3. I'm happy. I'm happy, guys. 3. Here. No. No here. Huh? Oh. Oh, here. Another. 3. My friend, oh, she plant this. The other one,